न पूछ कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफ़र का इरादा किया है। न हारेंगे हौसला ज़िंदगी भर, ये हमने किसी से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है। Hello, my name is Shweta Rastogi, founder and fitness partner at FitFettle, and now the finalist of Diadem Mrs. India Legacy 2021. From corporate boardrooms to yoga and gym studios, and finally to this glittering stage, I have had various experiences of life. As HR manager, I had successful career of about 17 years. And during these 17 years, I have won many awards as high performers. I have managed employee relations of North and West India. Hard work, discipline, and aiming for excellence contributed to my success in corporate world. But I learned an important lesson, and that was the secret sauce of my success. I learned was that humility and empathy are must to connect with people. In addition to my day-to-day task, I volunteered for managing events, participated in fashion shows in mega events of our company, participated in corporate social responsibilities, and delivered various trainings as trainer. I wanted to do something that makes me happy and contribute towards the society. And that is when I decided to take a plunge and leave my corporate job and start my own fitness venture. Leaving a well-paid job wasn't an easy decision for me. It took 2 years of deliberation and deciding that whether it's worth taking the risk. In December 2019, finally, I decided to quit my job and follow my passion. Almost 6 years back, I was introduced to this magical world of fitness, and from there, my interest in fitness emerged. My transition from a chubby lady to a fit and healthy woman has been quite fascinating. I participated in various marathons, got trained in yoga, weight training, and cross-functional exercises. I successfully completed the certificate course in yoga from the reputed Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, Delhi. My plan is to continue the learning and achieve excellence in yoga. I always wanted to inspire people to take fitness seriously and have fun at the same time, and that is when I decided to become a yoga and a fitness coach. In 2019, I launched my own fitness venture by the name of FitFettle, and at FitFettle, we take fitness training sessions. All this would not have been possible without the strong foundation which is my family. I am happily married for last 19 years. My husband, who works in a multinational organization, and my son, who will be entering his teens this year, have always helped me and supported me in my decisions. Through this platform of Diadem, I will be able to fulfill my mission of building a strong women community where women can collaborate, motivate, and spread fitness to each other. Because I strongly believe that if a man decides to be healthy and fit, only he becomes healthy and fit. However, if the lady of the house chooses to do so, the entire family becomes fit, fine, and healthy. Thank you.